To my life, can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies like a light. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies like a light, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a review with this VBT breast tape. You want the package and let you guys see all what is inside the packaging. And this is how it comes. So it came with two tape. This is one, and this is the other one. So it also comes with this double-sided tape, and this is, I think this is the two set of nipple covers. Also came with the manual. So you go in and see all the different ways you can use the...
I'll do a demonstration guide so you can see how you can use the tape, and this is one way. Okay, you have other ways you can use it, but I'll just show you a little hack. The instruction reads, cleanse the skin, then you protect your nipples with the nipple cover, whichever you want to use. Then you go ahead and cut a piece of tape and cover the boob whichever direction you want to use it, guys.
This is a list, if the camera is focusing, this is the list of all the different ways you can wear this boob tape. So right now I think I'll go in and just give you a little demonstration of how you can wear it. If you're gonna wear a shirt like this, you need to get yourself, and this is just a hack. So you get yourself a open front bra, and you go in, you make sure you fix your boob in your bra like how you want to do it. So that's your thing. Go ahead and do it like how you want to do it. So you just go ahead and you're gonna like cover the bra. You measure where you want it to stop, like right here. So we have this length, and cut it right there.
This is mainly a hack for people with larger breasts who doesn't want to go in with just the boob tape. You can do this as an alternative method, but you can also go in, guys, with the boob tape and do the same thing as I am doing now.
So you have two strips. You do like 3 or 4. You do 3 or 4. So we have remove the backing from the tape like this, and you just go in and you stick it like this. You stick it like this and cover it like this. And do the same thing right here. Just stick it like that, or stick it like this, and just do that Just do that. Gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Just put it like right here and put it right here. So and do the same thing right here. And after, guys, you just go ahead and just do and just do that. There you have it. Right there. So now you can just go in with the double side tape and just put this like right here and put your shirt like this. And there you have it. Do it with the same thing right here. So you do this. And your shirt is like that. That's how you want to wear it.
The quality of the tape is amazing, you all. It have nice stretch and it does hold to your skin.
So that's a cool hack. Also, guys, there are other ways you can put it on. You can cover your nipples and then you put it over your clothes. I'll put another top, show you how you can put it on if you don't want to use this bra method. But I think this is perfect for person with larger breasts. So if you don't want to put this on and put the tape over your skin, you can just put your, and you go ahead and just have the tape. If you got to put piece along the bottom, you go along and do that. But guys, I'll leave all the link to this bra tape in the description. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. As I said, it's from VBT. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies.